Welcome everybody to today's video. Today's video is going to be a travel video. We're going to be traveling from here, the province of Quebec, and we'll be going to Florida. About a 3.5 hour flight. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's have fun. Alright, we just did our pre-check-in here, and now we're gonna get in line, check our bags, then we'll go through customs, and we're gonna go through TSA, make sure everything is on the up and up. Not too bad there this afternoon. I was expecting to be a lot more people. Alright, like usual, first thing you hit when you get through customs, duty free. Just in case you need something before you get on the plane. You want to buy a Rolex or anything like that. Or a bottle of cognac. Alright, so everything we're through. So I'll keep bringing you guys along. I'll show you guys out there the planes. Alright, right here.
Live there.
On time. Gate 85. Everything looks like it's on time. A couple delays up here going to Orlando. One down there going to Miami. Everything looks good for us.
I don't like it.
You like Montreal?
So we're gonna go from minus 15 to minus 20, and by the time we get off the plane here, it's gonna be 80 degrees, or around, we'll say 27, 28. Look at this. Baseball team that hasn't been around for 30 years, they still have hats of it. He's just firing her up, getting ready to go. Show you how cold it is out there. Alright, so he's going to move out of the way. You can see in the background there's an Air Canada plane. There's one taking off. Cold stuff. Alright, we're just waiting around and get a little bite to eat. Then we'll board the plane. Get in the air and go down the warmer place. So today is just a travel day, as you guys know. I was looking here, you see there's a Houston's up here. I wonder if that's the place where the hammer Paul Bissonnette got attacked by those gypsies. I don't know if you guys saw that video. If you guys never saw that video, go look on Spittin' Chicklets. Paul Bissonnette gets attacked at a restaurant at Houston's in Scottsdale, Arizona. Everything looks good so far. I haven't seen they didn't charge me any extra money so far today on tariffs, so we're getting away with that so far. here we go. We're just getting in. We're just getting in. We're gonna go pick up our baggage. Got these big Everglades signs everywhere. We'll pick that up. I have to sit on the tarmac for half an hour, 30-40 minutes, waiting for to be able to pull up to the gate. All right, we'll go pick up our stuff and we'll head over to the condo. All right, we made it. That's our travel day. We make it to paradise. We made it, I'll say. All right, so you guys come along with us. I'll bring you guys some videos over here. We're here for a month. We're in the land of the palm trees. So we'll see you guys next one. Oh, I can feel that sun. All right. Adios, amigo.